Hi guys, this is Govind Kumar Singh, and today I'm going to explain some critical root words of GRE, which is mentioned below. And through this video, I want to tell you one thing in detail. If you have any problem relating to GRE words or something, videos or IELTS, because the purpose to create the channel is how to approach the word, how to understand the word without any problem, without any differentiation. So you can understand each and everything regarding, you have to understand each and everything regarding these videos. At first, in first videos I am trying to explain the some root words which is related to GRE, and it starts from A to and all the letters, it's include all the letters. So first letter is going to start so I am going to start the first meaning. You can see the verbal and the root word. A meaning of A is without. Okay, the meaning of A is without means a word before A, like prefix A, you can say prefix like before, and suffix is like after. So before a word there is a word, there is a letter like A, then you can say without. The meaning is totally negative, like amoral means moral is like a person who is morally, like is very incorrigible person. But amoral, a plus moral is equal to neither moral nor immoral. And typical means a typical banda, it's very solid banda. And atypical, a plus typical equal to not typical, it's fraud. Atheist means in Hindi astic. Okay, astic, he doesn't believe in God, one who doesn't believe in God. Okay, theist means a plus theist means atheist, like a person who doesn't believe in God. Theist, if you remove a, theist means astic, means a person who believe God. Okay, atrophy, wasting away, like deterioration. So another video is AB is also down of without, means AB means without. Abnormal, normal is normal, abnormal not normal. Abhor, bore means hate, abhor to hate, very hate, detest. Abominate, to detest. Abduct, to take by force. Okay, and abstruse, hard to understand, means if you want to understand any person, then you can't understand, like it's a abstruse case. Okay, abstract means considered apart from normal existence. And the second, its root word is A, and second root word is AB. Okay, and the third root word is AC means bitter or sharp. AC, acrid means very bitter or very sharp. He's speaking like the very acrid way. Acidic means something that is sour. Acrimony, bitter, animosity. Acerbic means AC plus cerbic, acute. AC plus ute, acute means sharp, yes, sever. Acute means AC means bitter or sharp. Okay, bitter. And arc means important, like architecture, it's very important for our in our history. So architecture, chief or important, the root word is architecture, the meaning is chief or important. So in any word, in any between the word, if arc is available, then you can see it's very important word. So arc plus bishop, the highest ranking of bishop, means importance, is giving the importance. And arch enemy means chief or worst enemy. Arch means important plus enemy, it's very important enemy for me, like Daud Ibrahim is the arch enemy of India. And matriarch means a female who rules a group. Okay, matri means mother side, or arc means important, like Indira Gandhi's in 1970s time, Indira Gandhi's rule, you can say is a matriarch rule. Monarch means a king or queen, like monarch means king or queen. Okay, monarch, mon means king or queen. Okay, Another is anti. Anti means against or opposite. Means if any word before if any word before anti, in between anti, and after anti. Okay, its meaning is against, yeah, opposite. Antibody, it's totally anti a body, a substance that destroy microorganism. Antidote, you can I think it's very used in medical purpose, so a remedy or neutralize person for disease. Antidote. Antiseptic. Antiseptic cream, you can say, understand, preventing infection, means against the infection. Okay. Antipathy means hatred. Pathy means, and antipathy. Pathy means ill, sick, or anti, opposite to sick, hatred. Sorry. Antisocial, a person who is like very dumb people. He behaves like very cruel in our society, so you can say antisocial people, antisocial norm. Okay. The another root word is av means bird. It's related to the word aviary, the large enclosure of words. Aviatrix, the female airplane pilot. Okay, also flies in the sky. Aviation, the art of designing or operating aircraft. Aviation, you can understand. And another root word is ben, bene, benny. Benny means good, not opposite, mal. Means you can say benny means good and opposite is mal. Malnutrition, benefunction. Malnutrition, benefunction. Benefunction, malnutrition. Okay. Benefactor means good factor. Bene plus factor. Bene means good, factor means cows. A person who gives money to a cows. Benefactor. Beneficial, it's very beneficial for us, producing good effect. It is producing very good effect. Benevolent. Benevolent means it's showing kindness or goodwill, like bene plus volent, benevolent. Okay. Benediction, blessing. Bene means good, or diction means bless, means giving blessing. Billy means war. Next root word is Billy, means war. Okay. And villicose, like with like or manner or temperament, like a war manner, like it's always trying to, like a cruel nature, is ready for quarrel with someone. Hostility, you can say Billy Grant. Billy, war, or Grant means try to hostile, like enemy, ready to fight, very cruel in nature. Rebel means opposed to, a person who oppose and fight. Okay. And another root word is kill. Side and size. Side means CIDE, comma CISE, size means kill. Both meanings are kill. Okay. Homicide means homie plus side. Homie means murder, side means kill. Homicide means murder. Okay. Incisor means size, CIS. I already mentioned up of the video. So in between the word, in like prefix of word, like suffix of word, root word is also root word is also, can you also use. Okay. In the word meanings, in the vocabulary. Okay. Homicide. Incisor, in plus cis, CISE plus or, a sharp tooth or cutting food. Regicide, killing of a king, means regi means king, or side means killing. Patricide, a person who murdered, who is trying to murder, who murdered for his own father. Matricide, murdering one's mother. Patricide, murdering one brother. Genocide, one another meaning is genocide means killing on genes, like in like 20th century there was an incident of Nepal. Virendra Veer Vikram Sahadev was the king of the Nepal, and his elder brother I think Gyandev Vikram Sahadev killed all the members of his family. You can say it's called genocide, means complete destroy of the genes. Okay. Another is circum means around or about. Okay. Circumference means around the area. Okay. About the area. Circumnavigate means A person who like navigate you, who like says you what would be you do, okay, would you do. So navigate means circum means about, around, circumnavigate, to sail around, okay. Circumscribe, to draw something or to restrict. Circumspect, looking around, prudent. Circumlocution, circumlocution, rebound, bold talk, like it's talk very truly and beating around the blush. Circumambulate, circumambulate, to walk around or around. There is another word, a root word I'm going to say, okay, is call, com or con, okay. Its meaning is call, com, con means in between the word, before the word and after the word, means together or jointly. Call, com or con. Con means together, means collaborate. Collaborate means work together, you know. Collision, smashing together, like collide with each other. Colloquial, word formed by everyday interaction. Commemorate, to memorize together, means in between the word, in before the word and after the word, you can say together. A word like concomitant, means con plus comitant means accompanying. Concur, concur, con plus cur, to agree with someone. Cur means someone and agree means with together, okay. Cog means another root word is cog means to know. And cognizant, cog plus nigent, fully informed, conscious, like to know, how to conscious. Cognition, process of acquiring knowledge. Cog plus nigent. Incognito, in plus cog plus nito, in between the word. Root word is in between the word. In plus root word plus nito. Incognito means disguised, so no one knows you. Recognize means how to recognize, how to know, to discover that who one knows. Cogitate means cog before word, itate, to think carefully about. And another is creed. Creed means believe. Creed means believe, okay. Creed means believe. Believe before word, between word and after word. Credence, creed plus ens, believe that something is true. Credulous, believing that things too easy, gullible. Incredible, believe, and in means not. In plus believe. In plus credible. In means not, credible means believe, means not believable, unbelievable. Incredulous, in plus credulous, like something skeptical, you can say. Dull means suffer pain. Before dull, before word meaning, after word meaning, and between. Dull, suffer or pain. Condolence, con plus root word plus ens. Con means together. Dull means suffer or ens means proceed. Expression by sympathy. Just it's very good example, I think. Indolence, in plus dull plus ens. In means not, dull, suffer or ends something. The state of being lazy or slothful, you can say. Doleful, sorrowful, mournful. Dolorous, full of pain or sorrow. Dol means suffer pain, us means proceed, like full of pain or something, sorrow. So it's the first lecture. I have already described up to D, like I started from D words, and so it's my first lecture, and I can't say you'd be like or not, but it's very good. And in second lecture I will be again discuss more root word or something. So let's get started. Let's get completed this video with my friends. So we'll meet in second videos. Thank you so much.